Congratulations for finishing Chapter 3, opening your first account. So, medyo technical na, medyo nasa application part na tayo. Siguro, meron ka ng demo account, meron ka na rin copy trading account. Lahat yan ino-offer ng Trading Circle with our partner broker. Masaya kami dahil nandito ka pa rin. So, medyo marami ka nang napanood na lessons, nakaka-15 ka na by now. Make sure meron ka na ring demo account dahil dyan tayo magpa-practice. Basta i-prepare mo lang muna. Sa mga susunod na chapter, pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga strategies. Kung gusto mo pala ng written version ng ating modules at naghahanap ka ng supplementary lesson na kung saan kahit wala kang internet, nagta-travel ka, nasa sasakyan ka, ay gusto mo continuous ang learning mo, well, Trading Circle published book. So it's written by me and all of the other coaches which you can actually check out para ma-ship namin directly to your door. So, congratulations! See you sa ating Chapter 4.